आणि सध्या आरोग्यमंत्री राजेश टोपे बोलतायत, आपण थेट जाऊयात.
Now we have given instructions to all my subordinate officers that the index cases of these Delta plus variant should be monitored very closely. That means the detailed information about the index cases should be collected and should be kept for study. For example, their travel history, then there all the high risk contacts and low risk contacts also needs to be done. The contact tracing should be done aggressively. Number 3, we have to ensure that those index cases where they reinfected, had they taken vaccine and still got infected, so whether this Delta plus variant has escaped the vaccine, that study is to be done. And so our department is with the help of this ICMR, ICSR and also NIV, that is National Institute of Virology. We are continuously behind that. The state has taken an initiative that whether it has spread across Maharashtra, so we are taking samples, every district 100 samples. So we are but the prima facie information what I have got is that this variant has less transmissibility but more virulence. So virulence is seen more, the severe patient may be seen more in such type of virus. And also it is observed that now the treatment whatever was previously is to be continued. There is nothing special treatment for this Delta plus virus. So this is being told by the scientific people who deal with this variant and their details.
Have there been